Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting parts and preparing your workspace. This saves time when you solder. First, mount the ESP32 and OLED on a breadboard to test power and display with simple code. Once done, verify voltage levels. 3. 7V LiPo into boost converter configured to 5V for sensors if needed. Keep a direct 3V line for the ESP32. Make sure connections are tidy and labeled before moving to permanent solder joints to avoid mistakes later. Now you wire the final connections and flash firmware that runs display, time, and BLE. Start by soldering signal lines correctly. Display MOSI/MISO/SCLK, CS, DC, and reset as required. Use shared ground. Then configure Arduino IDE. Select ESP32 board, correct flash size, and partition table. Upload a basic sketch that draws to the screen and advertises BLE. Once uploaded, test Wi-Fi NTP sync for accurate time, and verify. Finish by assembling the enclosure and finalizing power management so your watch runs reliably. You should mount the PCB and battery, insulate exposed joints, and route the display and button through cutouts. Then refine the UI. Map the button for wake/sleep, set screen timeout, and enable deep sleep to preserve battery. If something goes wrong, check for brownouts, incorrect pin mapping, or insufficient decoupling capacitors. Use serial logs and a multimeter to pinpoint power or software faults and correct them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.